Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 4th of October, in the year 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of October, 2024, our system has classified SOXL as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.19. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects no change, sitting at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund has broken the very wide and declining short-term trend upward. Initially, this indicates a slower rate of decline, which may signal an early shift in the trend. There will be support at the upper limit of the recently broken trend, which is $29.43. This level may present a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, $48.91 could be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 46.33% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -85.45% to -56.94%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it predicts a change of about 47.85% over the coming year, with a potential return between 12.39% and 200.39%. This equates to a price range from $41.22 to $110.18 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Friday's trading session. The SOXL ETF price increased by 4.17% on the last trading day, rising from $35.21 to $36.68. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 5.87%, with a low of $35.45 and a high of $37.53. The price has risen in 7 of the past 10 days and is up by 9.33% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 14 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 99 million shares were exchanged for approximately $3.63 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest was $14.01. Currently, the price is 47.66%, or $33.40, below the 52-week high, and 90%, or $341.56, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Direxion's expansion of its exchange-traded fund lineup, including a new focus on the Taiwanese semiconductor giant Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, signals a growing interest in leading technology companies. This strategic move could enhance investor confidence in the semiconductor bull 3X shares, particularly as semiconductor stocks are positioned for a rally fueled by continuous demand in artificial intelligence and data centers. At the same time, Hedge funds are actively accumulating technology stocks in anticipation of expected interest rate cuts, which could generate increased momentum in the sector. However, despite these encouraging trends, it is crucial for semiconductor bull 3x shares investors to exercise caution. While the potential for a year-end rally exists, the exchange-traded fund carries significant risks. Recent market volatility and substantial declines over the past few months suggest that investors may need to prepare for further fluctuations. Historical performance shows that the semiconductor bull 3x shares can endure severe downturns, making long-term optimism precarious without careful risk management. In the short term, the sentiment surrounding semiconductor stocks may trigger a rebound in the price of semiconductor bull 3x shares, benefiting from momentum as hedge funds continue to invest in technology. However, the leveraged nature of the exchange-traded fund implies that any rallies could be accompanied by equally pronounced downturns, necessitating careful positioning for investors. Looking ahead, the technical outlook may pose challenges, and it is essential for investors to balance the risks against the potential for rapid fluctuations in returns. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $36.38 and $34.89. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, and they may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 12.1%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 32 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 121 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 43 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for SOXL. SOXL finds support at $34.96, a level that may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of volatility, and the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes it as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.08 between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 5.87%. In the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 8.4%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $37.51. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $34.96. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss is set at $34.56, reflecting a decrease of 5.78%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 31 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this moment. Currently, it is advisable to consider this investment as a hold or accumulate while we monitor for further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, changing from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation for this ETF. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements of the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 7th of October, we anticipate that SOXL will open down by approximately 12.7 cents, starting at $36.55. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.